Hello everybody, welcome back to Pick the Best Ones. In this video we are going to check out the top 5 best smart lighting. Smart LED bulbs aren't quite a commodity, but they are getting close to maturity as far as the market goes. Today's bulbs are more compact, much brighter, have better color representation, and, for the most part, feature control apps that do more than ever and are easier to set up. Smart light bulbs. LED-based bulbs that can be controlled by a hub or smartphone app are no longer a new idea. Okay, so let's get started with the list. Starting at number 5. We have the Nanoleaf Rhythm Smarter Kit. If you're willing to spend a bit more on setting up smart lighting in your home, the Rhythm Smarter Kit is the light show of your dreams. With it, you can create your own world of color or just set up the 9 triangle-shaped panels on your wall in whatever formation your heart desires. You can fully customize the light inside the Nanoleaf Smarter Series app, or create scenes and set schedules, and the panels connect to all the typical voice services. The coolest feature, however, is called Rhythm, which allows the light panels to react to music of all genres in real time. With the Smarter Kit, you are the conductor of your own light symphony, one that reacts to every searing guitar riff, bass drop, and vocal solo. Moving on at number 4. We have the Lifx Mini White. The Lifx Mini White is the perfect compact bulb for lighting your nightstand or home office, and emits 800 lumens using a mere 9 watts of energy. You can control the bulb from just about anywhere using the company's proprietary cloud technology, and the eco-friendly LED comes with a lifespan of 22.8 years and a 2-year warranty. Like many of the bulbs on our list, the Lifx app is compatible with both iOS and Android, and works with voice services such as Apple HomeKit, Alexa, and Google Assistant. It doesn't require a hub, either, which makes this small ray of sunshine even more delightful. At number 3. We have the Philips Hue Go. If you need to take your light with you, the Philips Hue Go is the ideal choice. You can plug the device into a power outlet for a light show on your wall, or unplug it and use it as a compact centerpiece. It can also last up to 3 hours when fully charged, and its 300 lumen bulb can last up to 20,000 hours before needing to be replaced. To use the light, simply press the button on the back. Philips Hue features 7 different light effects, including a warm white light, energizing daylight, and 5 natural dynamic lights. You can even connect your Philips Hue Go with the Hue Bridge, not included, giving you full control of your home lighting via your smartphone. Currently, the device works with Alexa, Apple HomeKit, and Google Assistant. At number 2. We have the SENGLED WiFi. The SENGLED WiFi smart bulb connects to your 2.4 GHz network without a hub. It's super easy to set up. You just download the SENGLED Home app, twist in the bulb, and the bulb flashes on and off to indicate it's ready to set up. Once you go through the usual steps, login, connect the device to Wi-Fi, etc., you have dimmable smart lights you can control with your phone or with your voice via Amazon Alexa. The low cost and easy setup make this the perfect starter bulb. The SENGLED Wi-Fi bulb comes in 2700 soft white. And finally at number 1. We have the Element Classic A19 Kit Soft White. The Element Classic A19 Kit by SENGLED is an affordable all-in-one kit that includes 2 bulbs and 1 hub as well as an Ethernet cable. Emitting the power of 800 lumens on a mere 9 watts of energy, these super efficient bulbs will last up to 25,000 hours. They also connect to your Amazon Echo and Google Home devices, allowing for hands-free voice control. The Element Home app is compatible with both iOS or Android, and the group control function lets you turn all the lights in your home on or off at the same time. You can also schedule when you want your lights to turn on, and plan your mornings with the wake up time feature. The performance section shows you how much power you are using relative to the money you are saving. It's the perfect kit for newbies. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question about this smart lighting, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.